Hello, everyone, and welcome to English Lab with Anna and Leo.
Hi everyone, I'm Leo and I'm happy to learn with you today.
Today we will help you speak simple English with clear words and short sentences.
We will go slowly and repeat many useful words.
In this lesson, we will learn greetings, numbers, days, objects, foods, drinks, and daily activities.
We will also practice with small, easy conversations.
Let's start with greetings because greetings are important in everyday life.
Greetings help you start a friendly conversation in English.
Please listen and repeat the greetings with a clear voice.
First greeting is hello, which is common and polite.
Another greeting is hi, which is friendly and short.
In the morning, you can say good morning to be polite.
In the afternoon, you can say good afternoon to greet someone.
In the evening, you can say good evening when you meet someone.
When you leave, you can say goodbye to end the conversation.
You can also say see you later to be friendly and casual.
You can say bye-bye to end the conversation with a light tone.
Now I will use two greetings in a short exchange.
Hello, Leo. How are you today?
Hi Anna, I am fine, thank you and you.
I am very well. Thank you for asking.
It is nice to talk with you today.
Next, we will practice introductions with simple sentences.
An introduction means you say your name and basic information.
My example is this simple model sentence.
Hi, my name is Leo and I'm a student.
Hi, my name is Anna, and I am a teacher.
I am 25 years old and I live in a big city.
I am 30 years old, and I love teaching English.
I like learning English with simple words and short sentences.
I like helping you learn with calm and friendly teaching.
Now we will learn numbers because numbers are useful every day.
Please listen to a clear list of numbers from 1 to 10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Great job with the numbers from 1 to 10.
Now let's continue with numbers from 11 to 20.
11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Numbers help you tell age, time, and quantity.
For example, I am 30 years old this year.
I am 25 years old and happy to learn.
I can count by tens to speak larger numbers.
10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100.
Now we will learn the days of the week in English.
There are 7 days in 1 week for planning activities.
The days of the week are clear and common words.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Monday is the first day we will use in our examples.
Today is Monday and I will study English.
Yesterday was Sunday, and I stayed at home.
Tomorrow is Tuesday and I will practice speaking.
Friday is a busy day for many people.
Saturday is my favorite day because I can relax.
Sunday is a quiet day for rest and family.
Learning the days helps you talk about schedules.
Now we will learn common objects at home and school.
These words are simple and important for daily life.
Please listen to a clear list of basic objects.
Pen, pencil, book, notebook, table, chair, bag, window, door.
I will use each object in a short sentence.
This is a pen, and I use it to write.
This is a pencil, and it is good for notes.
This is a book, and I read it at night.
This is a notebook, and I write new words in it.
This is a table, and I put my laptop on it.
This is a chair, and I sit on it to study.
This is a bag, and I carry my things in it.
This is a window, and it brings fresh air and light.
This is a door, and I open it to enter a room.
Now I will ask a simple question about an object.
What is this, Anna, if I point to a book?
It is a book because it has pages and words.
What is that, Anna, if I point to a chair?
It is a chair because we sit on it comfortably.
Questions and answers help you practice object names.
Now we will learn foods and drinks with simple sentences.
Food and drink words help you order and talk.
Please listen to a clear list of food and drink words.
Apple, banana, orange, bread, rice, egg, chicken, fish, milk, water, juice, coffee, tea.
Now we will use these words in short sentences.
I like apples because they are sweet and fresh.
I like bananas because they are soft and easy.
I eat bread for breakfast in the morning.
I drink water every day to stay healthy.
I drink coffee in the morning before work.
I like rice and chicken for lunch or dinner.
I do not like fish because the taste is strong.
I do not like tea because I prefer coffee.
I like juice because it is cold and sweet.
I like milk because it is good with cereal.
These sentences are simple and easy to remember.
You can build new sentences by changing one word.
I like oranges because they have vitamin C.
I eat eggs for breakfast because they are healthy.
I drink water at work because I get thirsty.
Now we will learn daily activities with short phrases.
Daily activities are things we do every day.
We will list the activities in a clear order.
Wake up, get up, brush teeth, wash face, eat breakfast, go to work, go to school, study, eat lunch, come home, take a shower, eat dinner, watch TV, read a book, sleep.
I will use the activities in simple daily sentences.
I wake up at 7 o'clock every morning.
I get up and I brush my teeth carefully.
I wash my face and I feel fresh.
I eat breakfast and I drink coffee.
I go to work when the bus arrives.
I go to school when I have a class.
I study English because I want to improve.
I eat lunch at 12 o'clock every day.
I come home in the afternoon after work.
I take a shower and I change clothes.
I eat dinner with my family in the evening.
I read a book for 30 minutes at night.
I watch TV for a short time and relax.
I go to bed and I sleep at 10 o'clock.
These activities help you talk about your daily routine.
Now we will connect days and activities in short lines.
On Monday, I go to school in the morning.
On Tuesday, I study English in the afternoon.
On Wednesday, I read a book at night.
On Thursday, I cook dinner for my family.
On Friday, I watch TV after dinner.
On Saturday, I visit my friends in the city.
On Sunday, I rest at home and relax.
Now we will make short conversations with greetings and days.
Hello, Anna. What day is it today?
Today is Friday, and I feel happy.
What do you do on Friday evening?
I eat dinner and I read a book.
What time do you go to bed on Friday?
I go to bed at 10 o'clock on Friday.
Thank you for the simple conversation today.
You are welcome because simple practice helps a lot.
Now we will practice numbers with real examples.
I have 2 books on my table today.
I have 3 pens and 1 pencil in my bag.
I drink 2 cups of water every morning.
I drink 1 cup of coffee before work.
I read 10 pages of a book each night.
I walk 5 blocks to my bus stop.
I study for 30 minutes every day.
I sleep for 8 hours every night.
These number sentences are simple and practical.
Numbers give clear meaning to daily activities.
Now we will build food sentences with like and do not like.
I like rice and chicken for lunch at work.
I like apples and bananas for a snack.
I do not like fish for dinner at night.
I do not like tea, but I like coffee.
I like water because it is healthy and clean.
I like juice when the weather is hot.
Food sentences help you in restaurants and stores.
Now we will practice objects with this and that.
This is a notebook and I write in it.
That is a window and it is open now.
This is a chair and it is very comfortable.
That is a door and it is brown and heavy.
This is a table and my book is on it.
That is a bag and it holds many things.
The words this and that help point to objects.
Now we will make a small role play with daily life.
Good morning, Anna. How are you today?
Good morning, Leo. I am fine, thank you.
What do you do in the morning before work?
I eat breakfast and I drink coffee.
What time do you go to work in the morning?
I go to work at 8 o'clock every morning.
What do you eat for lunch during the day?
I eat rice and chicken for lunch today.
What do you do at night after work?
I read a book and I relax at home.
What time do you sleep at night usually?
I sleep at 10 o'clock and I rest well.
Thank you for sharing your daily routine with me.
Thank you for asking clear and simple questions.
Now we will review greetings with short examples.
Hello, how are you today, Leo?
I am fine, thank you, Anna.
Good afternoon, Leo. Nice to see you again.
Good evening, Anna. It is nice to talk.
Goodbye, Leo. See you later this week.
Bye-bye, Anna. Have a good day.
Now we will review days with quick lines.
Today is Monday and I will study English.
Yesterday was Sunday and I stayed at home.
Tomorrow is Tuesday and I will read more.
Friday is a busy day for many people.
Saturday is a good day to relax and play.
Sunday is a calm day to rest and prepare.
Now we will review numbers with 2 examples.
I have 2 apples in my bag today.
I have 3 notebooks on my desk now.
I drink 1 cup of tea this evening.
I read 10 pages before I sleep tonight.
Now we will review objects with clear lines.
This is a book and it is very interesting.
This is a pen and it writes very well.
That is a chair and it is very strong.
That is a table and it is very clean.
Now we will review foods and drinks again.
I like apples and I like bananas.
I like bread and I like rice.
I like water and I like juice.
I like coffee, but I do not like tea.
Now we will review daily activities in order.
I wake up and I get up every morning.
I brush my teeth and I wash my face.
I eat breakfast and I go to work.
I eat lunch and I come home later.
I take a shower and I eat dinner.
I read a book and I go to sleep.
This is a simple and complete daily routine.
These sentences are clear for beginner English learners.
Repetition helps you remember words and patterns.
Simple words help you build confidence in speaking.
Short sentences help you understand and respond.
You can practice for 10 minutes every day.
You can listen again and repeat the sentences.
You can write your own simple sentences at home.
You can record your voice to hear your progress.
Now we will do a brief final conversation.
Hello, Anna. What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat bread and I drink coffee for breakfast.
What day is it today on your calendar?
Today is Wednesday and I have a class.
What time do you sleep at night usually?
I sleep at 10 o'clock to feel good.
Thank you for this clear and helpful lesson.
Thank you for this clear and helpful lesson.
I feel happy because I learned many new words.
I feel proud because you practiced with a calm mind.
Now we will finish with a short review summary.
Today we learned greetings like hello and goodbye.
We learned numbers from 1 to 20 and by tens.
We learned days like Monday to Sunday with examples.
We learned objects like book, pen, chair, and table.
We learned foods and drinks like rice, chicken, water, and coffee.
We learned daily activities like wake up, eat, work, and sleep.
Please keep practicing these words and sentences every day.
Please speak slowly and clearly to build your English skills.
Thank you for listening to English Lab with Anna and Leo.
We are happy to learn with you and help you grow.
See you in the next lesson for more simple English.
Have a good day and keep speaking English with confidence.